Traders, we are excited to announce our new brokerage partner, Blueberry Markets. They are willing to give you money to trade with them. As part of this partnership, you, the trader, are going to receive a full refund of your Simply Forex Discord fee. So, how will it work? Well, they're going to give you, the trader, $300 when you open an account with Blueberry Markets. More than 30,000 traders already trust Blueberry Markets, and they are highly rated on Trustpilot and Google. You can also benefit from excellent commissions and super tight spreads. Some spreads are zero. And you can also benefit from a dedicated customer support team that you can contact 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if that's not enough, guys, you can also benefit from our rebate program that we're offering. So Simply Forex and Blueberry Markets have teamed up to offer you this excellent promotion. And if you would like to take advantage of it, guys, then find the link in the video description. Good morning, traders. It's Friday. Woohoo! Friday the 17th of February to be exact. I'm still excited. We've launched our VIP rooms as part of the Discord channel, guys. So yeah, please check it out. Lots of great features in there. You can ask me directly any questions you like, any time of the day. I do have to sleep and eat. But yeah, guys, you've got a direct link with myself. We've also got some excellent trade alerts in there from myself and other traders. And we've also got some exclusive content in the VIP rooms as well. So check it out. And also today, guys, we're going to slightly revamp the video. Okay, so the recap will be part of the Discord channel now. So what trades we took yesterday will all be in the Discord channel. And what we're going to do in these videos is purely focus on the trade ideas for today and the news. All right, so trade ideas and the news we're going to do today as usual. Guys, before I start, Discord, of course, Discord channel, guys. Yeah, join the Discord channel. Lots of great things going on in there. We've got the normal Discord channel with loads of features, but we've also got the VIP rooms now as well. So come join that. Secondly, join us for the live stream every Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. London GMT. Ask me as many questions as you like. And thirdly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the information. All the details for all of these things are in the video description. Right, so as I said, guys, for Friday the 17th of February, I'm just going to show you what I'm looking at and what potential trades I like the look of. But let's start with the US dollar, guys. All right. So we all know that the US dollar has been, gathering strength, and it's changed on the daily chart to a downtrend. Okay. So this is Aussie dollar, US dollar. This is just one example. But the problem now is, guys, with all of the US dollar pairs, they are in a grey zone, yeah, where price has reacted historically. Yeah, it's reacted over here, yeah, and it's now potentially could react here. So we don't have a trade on any of the US dollar pairs for that reason, because I cannot short into support. Remember the T-shirts, we're so busy, but we will make the T-shirts one day. So I cannot short into this support because this could potentially be an area where price reverses or at least has a retrace. Yeah, so before it comes back down. So guys, yeah, this is what I'm seeing on US dollar pairs. So can't really trade them today. I mean, let's look at a few examples. Euro US dollar. Yeah, this one's teetering on the edge of breaking. Yeah, so we are in this grey zone, and these lows are just holding. I mean, let's see what happens today. I would want to see a daily break of this low. Yeah, so let's see what this daily candle does today. But as we speak, right this second, we have not had a break of these lows on the day chart. If it does break, we potentially got room back down to here. But again, we need to let this daily candle finish, guys. Let's look at another US dollar pair. Pound US dollar, exactly the same story. It's at these lows. Yeah, it's probably still got a little bit of room to go, guys. Yeah, a little bit of room back down to this level, but this whole grey zone is support for me. Yeah, and I just cannot short into support. Yeah. So, yeah, this is what I'm seeing on all of the US dollar pairs. Let's look at one more. US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, and again here, guys, we are literally at these last highs over here. Yeah, and in this grey zone. So again, this could be a bit of a reversal. We are in an uptrend. Yeah, it is dollar strength. Yeah. So what I would be looking for, guys, with these is perhaps a retrace back down to this level, and then we can start taking buys again. All right. But as we speak now, it's literally on the brink of breaking out or reversing. So yeah, really keep an eye on all of those US dollar major candles today, the daily candles. Let's see how they finish. What else am I looking at? I'm also looking at the yen pairs, guys. So let's start with Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. So yeah, I know these pairs have sort of have hit areas of resistance, okay? But yeah, we're still in an uptrend. Okay, so I think potentially we have room back up to these levels here. Yeah, so yeah, again, I'm seeing nothing but yen weakness. Okay, but yeah, we are at some interesting levels. So if we drop down to the H4 here, guys, yeah, it's all about if this level holds. If this level holds through here, I think we can take price back up to here. If not, I've got my alarm down here, and potentially you could look for shorts. But yeah, we're only looking for longs really in yen weakness. So if this level holds here, yeah, potentially we can take price back up. Let's look at another yen pair. Well, it's just the nearest one I'm going to pick, euro yen. So again, guys, yeah, this is the H4. Let's drop down to the day chart. So this euro yen pair, yeah, has broken, let's zoom in a little bit, has broken these last highs here, yeah, with this candle here, and we're still seeing a lot of bullish momentum. All right, so this still has plenty of room to move into potentially. So if we are going to trade a yen pair, I think euro yen would be a good one to trade. But yeah, let's see what it does. So look at the H4 now. Let's see what it does at these last highs here. Yeah, let's see what it does. If it continues to break out these highs, get a bit of a retest, we can come higher. But if price starts rejecting this point, I think it will come lower. So yeah, really interesting level now on euro yen. Looking at this H4 candle, yeah, we expect buyers to carry on pushing this through. Okay, so euro yen is a potential trade idea for today for buyers. Okay, let's have a look at another yen pair. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. All right, so again, let's look at the day chart. So similar story, yeah. We've had a break of this grey zone, yeah. These last highs here. We're clearly in an uptrend. All right, so it's just a case of where will it retrace to? Because yesterday, guys, if you take a look, I mean, this is quite a bearish candle. So this tells me potentially we could have a bit of a retracement. Perhaps it will retrace back down to this level because remember, guys, we love this pattern. What was once resistance, when it breaks, becomes support. Yeah. So perhaps it could retrace down to here and then we could start taking price back up. Okay. So yeah, let's keep an eye out for yen pairs. It'll be a case of, do they want to retrace before they go higher? Yeah, this is the question with the yen pairs. And looking at this candle, I think we do have a bit of room for a retracement. Let's look at the H4 quickly and see what that's telling us. I mean, again, we've got a very bullish H4 candle. So, yeah, price is telling me that it will come back up. However, if we drop down to the H1 chart, we have had a bit of a break in H1 structure. So we can see this pattern here. Yeah, it's broke this pattern. When it comes back up and tests these last H1 lows here, yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens here, guys. I know we have a very bullish H4 candle, but we might get a bit of a, you know, a downturn back down to here. And if that does happen, then I think we need to wait for these yen pairs. We're going to have a bit of a retracement, yeah, and then let's see what happens down here. Then we can start building H1 structure back to the upside. All right, so yeah, really important level as we speak on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so that's the yen pairs, guys. Yeah, will they retrace or are they just going to carry on? This is the million-dollar question, but let the market tell us. Yeah, so far, yeah, this yen pair is breaking down. So let's see if it continues to break down. Okay, so yeah, what am I looking at? This is what you want to know, guys. All right, but I'm like, it's a bit of a new revamp of a vid. I just want to show you everything that I'm looking at, and then also give you my trade ideas. So now we are going to look at my trade ideas for today, and there are 2 trade ideas, guys. Before I give you the trade ideas for Friday the 17th of February. If you're enjoying this analysis, then come join us, yeah? Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button and join the Discord, guys. Lots of great stuff in there. Right, so on to my first trade idea for today, and it is this. It is euro against the Canadian dollar. Let's start with the day chart, all right? So this pair, yeah, actually, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you pound Canadian dollar first. Okay, so let's have a look at all the CAD pairs because they're all interesting. Okay, so this is pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, and we can see that price keeps hammering down and hammering this low. Yeah, so what we want to see is a break. Yeah, retest, and then we can start shorting this. And there is a lot of room to move into. Okay, so this is potentially a trade idea, okay, if we get a break of this. Yeah, if we also look at New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And again, this one has broken. So again, if we get a bit of a retrace, I think we can take price back down to this blue line. Okay, so all the CAD pairs are interested, and we're still seeing Canadian dollar strength. However, the euro Canadian dollar is at the most interesting level. All right, so let's go back to it. So as you can see on the day chart, guys, euro Canadian dollar, it was in an uptrend. Okay, and then price ever since we broke this high, this low, has been in a downtrend. Yeah, we've got a double top, and then with a double top, when we break this low, yeah, we're really off to the downside. And that's exactly what's happened. Okay, price has bounced off of these lows, which we need to be wary of. Yeah, we need to know that there is support there. Okay, and now price has reversed back up to here. All right, and remember, guys, how much do we love this pattern? How much? So what was once support becomes resistance. Yeah, we get this break, retest. So this is the idea structurally, to take this price back down to these lows. Let's take a look on the H1 now, guys, all right? Because we've got one of my bread and butter setups, okay? Itchy eye. That's all the vodka I keep putting in it. So, yeah, we're at a really interesting level, guys. So we're back up, yeah, in this grey zone, back up testing all of these last H1 highs, okay? And you know how much I need to be with H1 structure. So yesterday we didn't have a trade because this was a trade idea because we wasn't with H1 structure. Yeah. And then, but as you can see, guys, we're not making higher highs. This is always a red flag. All right. And now what do I want to see? I want to see this. I want to see a break of these lows. Yeah, as you can see, my orange dotted line is an alarm, guys. As soon as that alarm goes off, I jump into action like Steven Seagal and Chuck Norris combined. Yeah, so I spring into action. I get a break here. Sometimes we can enter on the first candle that breaks. It depends how much that candle moves down. Yeah, or we might need to wait for a bit of a retrace. But either way, I'm just looking to get into this pair. Yeah, if we get a break of this low. Guys, how we trade this and how we trade this break and retest, yeah, I talk about in my mentorship program. All right, so if you're interested, drop us an email. But this is what I'd be looking for. And then my first target would be this area through here. Yeah, there's obviously some support here. So I would close 80% at this level. Yeah, and then I'd let 20% run back down to here. All right, guys, but this is nicely poised. Yeah, as soon as we get a break of here, yeah, we are looking to short this pair. If this happens, guys, yeah, and we get a break out of this grey box, not interested. Yeah, we would still be with H1 structure, yeah, and nothing's changed. Yeah, I'm not interested. Only if we get a break of these lows. All right, Euro Canadian dollar, that is the first trade idea. The second trade idea is this. Euro against the pound. Yeah, and I've been in this trade since yesterday. So let's take a look at the day chart. All right, and we are clearly seeing price in an uptrend. Yeah, price at this point, guys, when we got a break of these lows, I thought we were coming. It's a dotted line I was trying to attempt there. Looks like a dotted line. Yeah, I thought this was going to happen. Even when we got up to here, I still thought we were going to come lower. Okay, but price zoomed back up. That is a technical term, zoomed. And once it broke these highs, even this high, we're now in an uptrend. Okay, we've got higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, and then price has come back all the way down, tested this blue diagonal support zone, and now it's pushed back off. So look at these bullish candles as well. I still think we can take price back up to this last high here. All right, so structurally that's what we're seeing, guys, and like I said, we've got nice bullish candles. What does worry me is that this wick has closed back below this wick. I do not like to see that. Yeah. However, if we look at the H4 chart, I do like to see a H4 candle like this that breaks this last high. Yeah, this is filling me with joy and comfort that it will continue to go up. We actually saw this candle yesterday, guys, this H4 candle. We got a little bit of a retrace and then we were entering long. Okay, so I took this trade yesterday, guys. It was part of my trade alerts within the VIP Discord. So check it out. And we're still in this trade. Let's drop down to the H1 now. So because we've got such an aggressive H4 candle, yeah, it might only retrace to here. Yeah, these last highs through here do offer a bit of support. So price could just retrace to here. Yeah, if it does, great, we can get into the trade. Once we have a bullish reaction, yeah, we can start taking price higher. If that doesn't happen, guys, then price, may retrace all the way back down to these last H4 lows. Okay, if it does, great, we want to see a bullish reaction. We can then get into this trade and take it up here. All right, guys. So, yeah, the two trade ideas are Euro Canadian dollar and Euro pound. I'm also looking at the yen pairs, but the yen pairs need to tell us how far they want to retrace or if they don't want to retrace and just want to carry on. Yeah, so that's it, guys. They're the trade ideas. If you've enjoyed this new revamped video and the trade ideas, then come join us, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. I give you my trade ideas every day. Also join the Discord. You will see how we enter these charts. All right, let's take a look at the news now. News, guys, for Friday the 17th of February. It's Friday. We made it. It's quite a light news day, guys. The only first piece of news we were interested in is this at 7 o'clock, London GMT. We've got retail sales coming out of the pound. So that could really move any pound pair. And then after that, guys, there is pretty much no other 3-star rating that we are interested in. All right, guys. So yeah, a very light news day, so you are free to trade. And that's it, guys. Finished the vid. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Discord channel, guys, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.